गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आपसे बातें करने जा रहा हूँ। तो केमिकल रिएक्शंस के बारे में हम बात करेंगे। और केमिकल रिएक्शन में हमने आपको यहाँ तक बता दिया जो कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन क्या होते हैं। और मैं सेकंड बातें करता हूँ डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन की। चलिए मैं सेकंड में आपसे बात करता हूँ डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन। आखिर डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन होता क्या है? तो जो डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन है, सेकेंड टर्म में बातें कर रहा हूं आपसे डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन। तो ये इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ हीट के केस में हुआ करेगा। इट मीन्स दैट इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ टेम्परेचर और इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ हीट। ओके, आई एम राइटिंग हियर in presence of heat any compound break down into elements। जब वो कोई भी कंपाउंड क्या होगा, ब्रेक करके एलिमेंट्स में हो जाए, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन। दैट इज द डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन। एज फॉर एग्जांपल CaCO3 कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, व्हेन इट हीट, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ हीट, इट फॉर्म्स CaO and CO2। okay, now the next is again we heat the CaO, calcium oxide we heated, then form calcium and oxygen। When the compound is break down in simpler form of their elements is called decomposition reaction without any catalyst, in presence of heat only, right? Okay, now third is double decomposition। Means what? Double decomposition also decomposition reaction with the one molecule decompose. And the third is displacement reaction। Now very important topic is there, displacement reaction। okay, the displacement reaction means when higher priority element displace least priority element is called displacement reaction। So when the high priority elements according to the reactivity series, you know, the lithium, sodium, potassium, aluminum, right, zinc, magnesium, calcium, hydrogen, this is the up to down the reactivity series decrease, this is the reactivity series। okay, so in this way, and now take the example of there. When we talk about there, it means how can we talk after the hydrogen, copper, silver and mercury, copper, Ag, Au, gold, these are given। means suppose the highest reactive element, as we take the example of there, Al2O3 plus sodium, then what? Sodium will displace the aluminum. This is the reactivity series। okay, sodium will displace the aluminum, then what? NaO plus Al, in this way। okay, now the second one is, when we take the example of the next one, ZnO plus potassium, then potassium will displace the zinc. Therefore, K2O plus Zn. As this is the any element higher priority element displace the least priority element from the compound. Okay, this is the displacement reaction. This is the third point. Now the double displacement reaction. Now the third topic is and double displacement reaction. When high priority element of compound element displaces the least priority of the element, as we say, and the double displacement there the process. If we take the example, then Al2O3 plus NaOH. So this will displace the aluminum or this will displace there. So Na2O plus Al2 ALOH whole thrice. Previous we take the example of the Na will displace here, right? There one mistake also in our book. Al2O3 plus Na, this will displace and form Na2O plus Al. This is the net reaction of the displacement reaction. Okay, in this way double displacement, and after that oxidation and reduction. I'll go to the point oxidation and reduction. The next is, what is oxidation and reduction? Means Liouville. That what? Oxidation, loss of electron, reduction, gain of electron. Okay, this part. So what is oxidation? Oxidation, it is loss of electron and addition of oxygen, and removal of hydrogen. This is called oxidation reaction. When suppose that if we take example of their addition of oxygen, we take the example S2 plus O2. This will form H2O. Then this is the addition of oxygen there. Oxygen are added to the hydrogen atoms, and balancing we can learn after the type of chemical reactions. And the second, basically we go through the point only, what is definition of there. And the third one is reduction. What is reduction? See there. Reduction, it is the process of gain of electron and addition of hydrogen. Here we write addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. We take example like this. When N2 react with hydrogen, then form NH3. Okay, The next is redox reaction. So what is redox reaction? In the whole process, the oxidation and reduction both can happen. So what is redox? Redox, the process in which reduction and oxidation both are happen. तो एक ऐसा प्रोसेस जिसमें हम दोनों ही प्रोसेस क्या होगा इसमें होंगे. तो किसी भी रिएक्शन में दोनों प्रोसेस की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज द redox reaction. Okay, now we go to the point. Suppose an example of if the water molecules, suppose we take example Ca. This is the one with the addition of hydrogen CaO plus CO2. Now this is the combination of the compounds. Means CaCO3 are formed. Right? So this is only the type of the oxidation. Only oxidation. Suppose we take example NH3, or NH3 means N2 plus S2. NH3 means hydrogen have gained the electron. So this is what? This is the reduction, and nitrogen lost electron, and this is the oxidation. Okay, in the whole process we can see the redox reaction. Very simple. Now we go to the point how to balance the chemical reaction. How to balance. The first point, number of atom should be equal on both sides. Both side of reaction. Number of atoms should be equal, right? So we take the example S2 plus O2, that implies S2O, means balance it. 2 hydrogen, then 2 hydrogen there, 2 oxygen, then here also 2. So we add their coefficient 2, 2O, then 2O also. Oxygen is balanced, but hydrogen is still not balanced. Hydrogen is 4 atom, here is the 2 atom. So where we balance the 2. This is the balance case. In the LHS, 4 hydrogen, RHS, 4 hydrogen. In the LHS, 2 oxygen. In here, RHS, 2 oxygen. Second balancing, N2 plus S2. That implies NH3. 2 nitrogen, here also 2 nitrogen. 2, 3 are 6 hydrogen, so here also 6, so 3 will be balanced. This is the balance equation. Any reaction can be balanced by counting of their number of atoms on the LHS and RHS. Both can be equal, then the reactions must be equal in there. Okay, so we take the example also, and after that I will give you the questions according to their the homework are given. Question number 1. Ca plus O2 2 H2 plus Cl2 3 N2 plus Cl2 4 K plus H2 and fifth Na plus S2. Okay, this will can be solved. Okay, right.